Amble. There's nothing I enjoy more than a leisurely amble in the park. Bend. He went down on bended knee to ask her to marry him. Bounce. The ball bounced off the wall. Break. I didn't mean to break your phone. Carry. He carried the heavy books up the stairs. Cartwheel. One of the cartwheels got stuck in a ditch. Catch. He caught the ball with one hand. Clap. The audience clapped in time to the music. Crawl. The baby crawled across the floor. Cry. He cried bitter tears when he got the letter. Dance. Can you dance the tango? Dart. The rabbit darted across the field. Dive. She dived headfirst into the pool. Drag. She dragged the heavy suitcase behind her. Drop. He dropped the glasses. Hit. He hit his thumb with the hammer. Hold. Could you hold the door open, please? Jog. They jogged around the park every morning. Jump. The kids jumped up and down when they heard we were going to Disneyland. Kick. I kicked the ball as hard as I could. Kneel. He knelt in front of Allah and prayed. Laugh. They laughed at the funny joke. Lean. He leaned forward and whispered something in my ear. Leap. The dog leaped over the gate into the field. Lie down. She lay down on a couch to take a nap. Lift. She lifted the glass to her lips and took a sip. Limp. 3 minutes into the game, Jackson limped off the pitch with a serious ankle injury. Run. They ran a marathon together. Shuffle. The old man shuffled slowly down the street. Slide. He slid the letter into his pocket while no one was looking. Stand. He stood in line for the concert tickets. Step. He stepped carefully over the puddle. Stomp. She stomped up the stairs and slammed her bedroom door. Stride. The model strode confidently down the runway. Swim. I swam 2 miles this morning. Swing. The door swung open. Roll. I rolled the wheel along the side of the road back to the car. March. The protest march went off peacefully with only 2 arrests. Pour. I slipped the milk while I was pouring it. Wobble. The bookcase wobbles whenever you put anything on it. Tiptoe. He waited until his daughter was asleep, then tiptoed quietly out of the room. Tumble. At any moment, the whole building could tumble down. Swear. After several swears, the car flipped over and skid across the pavement. Stagger. After he was attacked, he managed to stagger to the phone and called for help. Squeeze. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. Wave. I was waving my hand like mad, but he never once looked in my direction. Poke. Two kids were poking a stick into the drain. Glide. She came gliding gracefully into the ballroom in a long, flowing gown. Propel. A rocket propelled through space.